Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Coleshome 32-inch computer desk, a modern and simple style desk perfect for your home office or study needs. This sleek black desk is designed for adults and offers a sturdy, stable workspace thanks to its thick metal frames and heavy-duty powder-coated steel construction, ensuring both stability and durability. With dimensions of 32 by 16 inches, this compact desk fits snugly into any corner, providing ample legroom and storage space without taking up too much room. Assembly is a breeze with only 4 steps required, and each package includes detailed instructions along with a complementary screwdriver to make setup even easier. The desk's waterproof and scratch-resistant desktop makes cleaning effortless, while its versatile design allows it to be used in various settings, from home offices to classrooms. Plus, Coleshome has you covered with excellent customer service, offering fast and easy replacements for any product quality issues. So, whether you're writing, working, or studying, the Coleshome computer desk is your go-to solution for a reliable and stylish workspace. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.